Beautiful long signal here at 9:04 this morning as we nailed this market's comeback. Alright guys and gals, today was another day trader's dream using the one pattern, the single pattern, and the only pattern that you need to know in order to transform your trading. Let's get into it guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you crushed it today. And yes, I'm going to show you how this volume indicator color band nailed the start of this magnificent bull rally today, just squeezing the short sellers out of control, right? I mean, listen, I love a good comeback rally, but here's the truth, man. The last couple of weeks have been on fire in this market, and if you've been sitting on the sidelines or you're still a struggling trader, then shame on you, man, because I can't stand when traders don't take responsibility for their own actions. I am a firm believer that the market does trend almost every single day. And in order to find those trends, then you've got to have the right tools. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, this is applicable to any industry. So why should trading be any different, right? For example, think of the home building industry. Do you honestly think they could build a home without heavy machinery and drywall, right? Or even a restaurant like Pizza Hut, Domino's. Do you honestly think they could make tons of pizza without a commercial oven, aka their tool? You get what I'm saying? So like, if you're a trader, you gotta have the right tools. And especially if you're a trend trader, the way that I am and the way that I teach all of my clients to find success, then look, man, you gotta have the right tools. What else is there? Anyway, case in point, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's beautiful live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You know this is my favorite symbol of all time. Yes, you can trade it on any asset class. Forex, all good. Futures, all good. Stocks and options, it's all good. And yep, you guessed it, this green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the NAS is our proprietary volume-based color band. This indicator only has one job, and that's to tell you what directions the market's trending. And you know what's coming next, right? When this color band turns a certain color, aka in this case green, from today, all right, that does not mean you randomly rush in and go long the market, okay? Instead, what I like to do is wait for very specific bars to print. What do I mean by that? Well, I want to wait for a retracement or a bit of a pullback or even just a little bit of indecision before I feel that the market's going to take off. You understand? And how I interpret that, okay, with respect to specific behavior that I'm looking for the market to give me, all right, is from this color change, I want to see a bit of an uptrend. I want to see some upward momentum, but then I want to see the market come back down. You understand? And so let me get you dialed into this exact moment in time, which only came 20 minutes after the color change, right? And so the question becomes, what is so special about this bar right here? Well, guys, this meets the pattern. Number one, this is the retracement that we look for every single day, okay? Because it's a green reversal bar that prints on top of the green color band, right? So we already know that we have green against green, and the low of this bar has got to be underneath the band. That's it. Folks, when you see this pattern, it's pedal to the metal. You understand? And so what I do is I go long on the open of the next bar. I place my stop right where you see my mouse here on this blue line, okay, a couple of ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low, and that was it for today, guys and gals, because this thing surged for 600 ticks straight up, and the stop loss never got touched. You understand? You see the power of trend trading? So again, shame on you guys and gals out there who are always telling me, hey, Mark, the market never trends. The market doesn't do this. The market's going to do whatever it wants to do. It's not up to you. It's not up to me. All we can do is try to find high probability, low risk setups, just like we did today on a lovely Thursday, and then let the market do the heavy lifting for us. All right, guys and gals, so congrats and welcome to all of my new customers and clients this week. I think you guys and gals picked a heck of a week to get started. And as usual, I cannot wait to see if we're going to get this same pattern or something similar on this volume indicator color band tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.